Yeah, gotta play. Gotta play.
I'll make sure nobody's behind me here. Are you back?
We call Rose.
This one's pretty
Yes.
That one's pretty cute, you think so? Yeah? Got her? Good job. Good job. You're doing a great job, buddy.
What are you doing? Hmm? Oh, you're pretty. You're really pretty. You're very pretty and very sweet. Yes. Did you have all them girls and boys, huh? Yeah.
And Mark was
Proud of
really
Mama.
sweet. Abby had a puppy! I got a puppy!
Just gotta get a little bit closer.
Gotta get a little closer, okay.
Oh, really?
To see the puppy.
Let me see what you're doing. Let me help you a little bit. Because you actually could take movies. But let's see what
I'm
you're doing.
taking
Oh, you are
movies.
taking movies. Wow, that's a close-up.
That's very close up.
I like it.
Can you see her nose in there?
Yeah, I got it. Are you in there?
Get back a little ways, honey. Back, because it's really cute.
Oh, that's a good. Come on out. Come on.